Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create customer loyalty programs with Smile.io. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To create customer loyalty programs with Smile.io, start by visiting the Smile.io website. Sign up for an account by clicking on the Get Started button. Enter your email address and create a password. Once registered, log into your Smile.io dashboard. Click on the Programs tab to view available loyalty program options. Choose the type of program you want to create, such as points, referral, or VIP. For a points program, click on the Points option to begin setup. Customize your points system by setting how many points customers earn per purchase. Define the redemption options, allowing customers to exchange points for rewards. Next, set up your program's branding by adding your logo and adjusting color schemes. Ensure your loyalty program aligns with your business goals and customer preferences. Save your changes to activate your points program. To create a referral program, select the referral option within the Programs tab. Define the reward structure for customers who refer friends to your business. Choose what both the referrer and the new customer will receive. Design your referral program's messaging to encourage customer participation. Once configured, save and activate your referral program. If you wish to create a VIP program, return to the Programs tab and select VIP. Set criteria for VIP status. Customize the rewards and recognition for your VIP customers. After finalizing the details, save your VIP program. Next, integrate Smile.io with your online store platform if you haven't done so already. Follow the specific integration instructions for platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, or BigCommerce. Once integrated, test your loyalty programs to ensure they function correctly from a customer's perspective. Finally, promote your new loyalty programs across your website and social media channels to attract customer participation. Regularly review your program's performance through the Smile.io Analytics dashboard to make necessary adjustments. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.